Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to... All you need is a 10mm, a pair of exhaust hanger pliers as best, jack stands, and oil drain pan. Now quickly, you will need to disconnect. Hey everybody. The secondary release is right here under the hood. Just pull it that direction and open the hood. So recently I was working on a Now after replacing the tie rods, you're going to have easy access to the fuel pump. Without doing proper torque spec procedures. I have had far too many cars. Oh. Yeah, that's some water. They're somewhere around 6,000 degrees. It's usually a good idea to use a funnel so you don't spill oil all over the place. Then check to make sure that you have the right amount of oil in there. Wow, I'm just breaking them. That's great. And pull the whole filter tray out. I hope you liked the video. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope this video was helpful. Please give it a like, a comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog, and read the blog, and read the blog, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.